Hi guys, welcome to my 7 months post hair transplantation video. Uh, Today I am almost 7 months. I had hair transplant on 19th of August 2016. 3100 grafts were implanted. If I talk about my last video, I was not very much happy because of the hair fall. I think the hair fall is still almost the same, especially when I do shampoo, and after shampoo when I do combing. So around I feel around 20 to 30 hair fall with the comb. If you guys have the same issue, I think you have to fight the hair fall. You should be very careful regarding the I will like to share few tips with you guys. If you have wet hair, I don't recommend you to do a very harsh towel rubbing on your hair, because if the hair are wet and you are rubbing towel very harshly, you will definitely damaging your hair and the hair will fall. And during combing, I will suggest you to use a comb with white teeth, because if you have normal comb or a brush you will do and the harshly, the hair will be wet and it will pull your hair from the scalp. So I am trying to use these things to avoid hair fall, and let's see how it goes. And many guys ask me if I'm using finasteride or minoxidil. So I started using minoxidil when I finished my 2 months, and I used minoxidil after 2 months for the next 3 months. It means from completion of second month till the end of fifth month. So I used for 3 months only, and I used only on my transplanted area, just two puff every day. I was using once a day, two puff. And it was actually suggestion from my doctor, so I had to do accordingly. If you ask me what were the results using the minoxidil, I cannot really comment anything, because it was just for 3 months, and that was the time where normally hair growth is expected from third month onwards. So I cannot really comment the growth was due to minoxidil or due to the normal hair transplantation procedure. Anyways, from 6 to 12 months is by principle, it is known that the actual growth is expected, which is known as principal growth. So that's what I am in the phase of 7 months now, and I am realizing the very small baby hair are growing in this left part of my head. When I touch my scalp, so I feel small hair, but on the right side I am not feeling any small hair growth. But I do hope that in the next coming months, before 1 year completion, I will have the good result. And regarding to minoxidil, I have told you guys I have used for 3 months. Regarding to finasteride, I have not used, but I have seen result of the guys who used finasteride, and it was awesome. It was totally their hair growth in just 5 months is more than the natural hair. So if you guys are planning to use finasteride, it's your own choice, but there are very good results which the guys who used finasteride, they got very good real hair growth, which is I when I saw in the pics, I was really amazed. That was much better than their natural hair growth. So using finasteride, of course, you can get a very good density in just 5 months, 5 to 6 months. But it is totally personal choice, because you guys know finasteride has side effects. If you search on Google, you will find a complete list of the side effects. So it is totally personal choice. Even though if your doctor is recommending and you want to use it or not, it's totally up to you. If you ask me, I have not used finasteride. Sometimes I do think to use it for 3 to 4 months, but still I am very confused. I have not used. Even I have been texting with a number of guys who are using finasteride, and they have not felt any side effect. Only one guy who contacted me, and he was in UK, and he told me he previously he was using finasteride and he had side effects, and then he left, and within 10 to 15 days the side effect was completely gone. So it's totally personal choice, and if you ask me, I have not used finasteride till now, and I don't know if I use or not, but I don't want to use. But I'm sure if I start using it, my hair fall will be uh, reduced by a good amount. Like if I'm losing 25 hair after shampoo, maybe it will just reduce to 5 to 6 hair, because finasteride do react very well with the hair fall. It has good results. Okay guys, let me show you my result after my 7 months. So this time I have slightly changed my hairstyle, so you guys can see under the light. Okay, so from this side my transplanted area is this up to here. This is still not very much denser, and so as I told you before, I am hoping new growth of hair in this area. So maybe by the end of 1 year I will have good hair density. So guys, keep in touch, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and if you have any questions, do ask me. Thank you. Bye.